I've been reading about Cat XL reinsurance, but I'm not clear on how it works. Could you explain with examples?
Sure. Cat XL, or Catastrophe Excessive Loss Reinsurance, protects insurers from large, unpredictable losses due to events like earthquakes, hurricanes, or floods. The reinsurer steps in once the insurer's losses from an event exceed a threshold, called the retention.
So, the reinsurer only pays after losses go beyond the retention limit?
Exactly. For example, if an insurer has a $50 million retention and a hurricane causes $200 million in claims, the insurer pays the first $50 million, and the reinsurer covers the $150 million beyond that. It's a way for insurers to handle the financial impact of severe events.
I see. So, it's crucial for large-scale events like natural disasters?
Yes. Cat XL is essential for managing high-severity, low-frequency events. Insurers can't predict when or where catastrophes will happen, but they know the losses can be huge. This type of reinsurance is a safety net.
Can you give another example, maybe with commercial property?
Sure. If an insurer covers commercial buildings in an earthquake zone and an earthquake causes $300 million in damages, with a retention of $100 million, the reinsurer would cover the remaining $200 million.
So, Cat XL helps spread the risk and protects the insurer from bearing the full financial burden.
Exactly. Without Cat XL, insurers would struggle to stay financially stable after large claims. This reinsurance allows them to cover massive claims without jeopardizing their operations.
Does the reinsurer set a cap on how much they'll cover after the retention?
Yes, there's usually a limit. For instance, the reinsurer might cover losses up to $500 million beyond the retention. If total losses exceed that, the insurer is responsible for the excess.
How is Cat XL different from other excess of loss reinsurance?
Cat XL covers multiple claims from a single catastrophic event. Other excess of loss reinsurance typically covers individual large claims. For example, if a hurricane damages hundreds of properties, Cat XL kicks in once total claims exceed the retention.
I see. Cat XL is for events that affect many policyholders at once.
Exactly. Insurers face aggregate risks from events where multiple policyholders file claims. Cat XL helps insurers manage these losses and stay operational after a catastrophe.
How do reinsurers decide whether to offer Cat XL coverage?
Reinsurers look at the insurer's portfolio, the geographic regions they operate in, and their loss history. They assess the likelihood and potential severity of catastrophic events before offering coverage.
So, reinsurers analyze the exposure before offering Cat XL?
Yes. They ensure the retention and coverage limits are set appropriately to balance risk and protection. It's a crucial partnership.
I see. Cat XL reinsurance helps insurers handle catastrophic events and protect their financial stability.
That's right. It's a critical tool for insurers, ensuring they can absorb large losses from major disasters while continuing to serve their clients.